Hey guys, Lamonster here, Lamonster Garage, and we are doing a updated video on our power plate. We have a lot of questions. Through the years, we've made it easier. We perfected it. Some of our old videos, we use things that we don't use now. We've changed it up once again. All the concept is all the same, but we're going to do our current vision of how this should be wired. As far as I can tell, we're not going to ever change this, so this should be good for a while. But anyway, this is a F3T, and obviously it's naked, so I'll be able to show you the wires, the way we're running them. This wiring operation works for a single or a dual. It doesn't really matter. On a single, the wire is going to go directly to the battery. There'll be no lever locks to tie in the second wire. So basically what we do on the F3, we tuck it in here real nice to where it's clipped. The main thing you're going to want to do is when you crank this one way or another, make sure nothing's hitting on the panels. This particular power plate, because it is fully adjustable, you can loosen these up, you can move them one way or another. Best to just move them out of the way of the gauges the best you can. But depending on which bars you have, you can adjust these. So I'm going to give you, just kind of show you how we're running this wire. Kind of tug on it and show you. So like I say, it comes out the bottom here. Your positive and negative are here. The positive is always on the right side. So if you have this locked in and you got your two leads, your positive is always going to be on the lead on this side. Same with this one. So anyway, we're running it through here, and basically we stuff it down. I can even show you on that one, but seeing we're doing a naked one, we stuff it down here, zip it off, and from here it's going to go forward. And this one I have in a loom, and that's your option if you want to put them in a loom or not. That's the way I like it. I'm dropping it down into here, and basically the exact same thing on the other side. So what you're now going to get is you're going to get a jumper. It basically has your positive on one side, negative on the other side, fuse block in between. We've upgraded the wire so you can run heated gear on here. And then that's going to go to this terminal block. And this is the latest, greatest lever locks. We love these. We actually, this is a 5-pin lever lock. The kits come with a 3, but I've got so much going on here, I added a 5. So basically what it's going to come with, your positive will all go on the one side, and your negative will go on the other side. So all the red wires get flipped onto the red side. You just lock it down. All the black wires get flipped onto this side. And I'm actually going to strip one down and show you how these work. But it makes it real simple. So you got your power coming in here. Anything you want to hook into here that's going to be hot all the time, just directly off the battery, it will be fused. And you have options. Like here now, I've got 2 more options. If you're running really skinny wires, you can double up the wires if you like. Why don't you come over here, Jacob, and I'll show you. So that's how it is all naked. This is basically the same thing. This shows you with everything on. This came undone here. But basically this wire comes in here. You clip that back on. Of course it's going to fight me on video. Clip that back on. When you turn this, it comes real close to that panel, but even in a full lock it doesn't hit. So that's basically what you're looking for. And like I say, you can adjust this up or down to give you more clearance. So now we're going to go to the RT. So here's one that I've actually already got started. If you want to go over here, Jacob, I'll show you. So this is our dual adjustable power plate on an RT. And I might mention that these come with a waterproof USB. There's no light on them. We actually had these specially made with no light on them because they're going directly to the battery. We don't want a draw on the battery, so we had these specially made up. And then this is your 12 volt. Because it's 12 volt, you can hook your battery tender here if you like, and keep your battery charged up. These are the two pigtail ends, okay, that you're going to get. And on this RT and what we recommend, it's all up to you, but this is just what we recommend. You're going to stuff this down the middle. You're going to route one of these over to here. The other one will go over to here. And basically, once you go through this hole, you're going to want to just reach in there and grab that wire and fish it through here. Now I'm going to show you what I did on the other end. So you're going to fish this through here. Once again, zip tie it up, you know, clean it up. This is raw. This is just for a quick video. You can put it in a loom if you choose to. There's a hole already existing in this panel here, and I tape up the end and I drop it through that hole. So basically this is what you have right here. So this pigtail we've already tightened up. Also, when you put the lugs on it, always put the lugs behind the battery lugs. That way when you crank it down, it's not turning that little bitty lug, it's cranking down on the big battery lug. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to strip this and put it into a lever lock. And we'll go back and clean this up for the customer, but it was just a great opportunity to show you how to get this done. And we love these lever locks. They're really a nice setup. Let me see here. All right, so we're gonna clip that, spread it out a little bit. Same with this side. That's your right and your left. Clip that, spread it out a little bit. And you do have to strip the ends. We like the auto stripper. They strip the ends like so. So that shows the wires bare there. Same thing here. Strip the wires like so. And you can use any kind of stripper. You don't have to have one of these fancy ones. So now all you do is, you know, spin them tight clockwise. And once you've done that, you're going to want to just grab your lever locks, and as you can see, we got positive and negative. So positive side, we're going to stick a lead in here so it bottoms out. Clip it. I always pull on it and make sure it's nice and tight. Positive over here, same thing. Pull it. Make sure it's spun. It's kind of hard. I'm trying to give you a view on the video and do this. So clip it, pull it nice and tight. Now you got your black side, so here's your black coming right off the battery. You're going to flip the next two, and this wire obviously going to want to go to this one. Flip that. Same thing here. Stick it in the hole. Bottom and out. Flip it. Pull on them. Make sure they're tight. So now as you can see, all three of the black are going to the black. Red, red, red. So you got the red on one side, the black on the other side. And that's what you want. So this is wired up, ready to go. Now all you got to do is plug it in on the bottom of your plugs there. Positive to positive, negative to negative, and you're done. So if you're only running a single power plate, it will have wires directly to the battery, so you won't need to use the lever locks on it. So if you have any questions, you can always call us at the shop. Our website is lamonstergarage.com, and hope this helps you in your install. Thanks.